Doms.
Oh, I know some of these guys. I know some of these guys. Minish, I know a couple.
It's Goober.
That's an OW.
They're Europeans.
It's Goober.
Oh, it's West Coast again.
Wait, you said these guys are...
Bounce house.
No.
Yo, Brandon, you can siege on him. Bounce with me.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Alright.
1.
I'm gonna get it first.
You're cheating. I need more speed.
I can't give you 2 boosts, dude. I can only give you 1.
Alright, I'm setting up.
Yeah, fire. I get him.
Fire low.
Mercy's late.
There's no way this bear's gonna win.
Fire low again.
Wait, fire, respawn there. Respawn there.
Are you guys just staying on the bounty pad? Just sit up here. Just... Oh my god, you guys are
Seth,
recording.
sync up, sync up.
There
Good
we go,
job,
there we go,
Seth.
there we go.
We got this shit.
Shit.
They're gonna count. I hope you guys are happy.
Seth, we have to go.
Okay, wait, I'm on it.
Wait.
Going.
How did I not get test?
I didn't get anyone. I need heal for the
Fire is dead. Where's his dead?
One width, one right.
Come on, come on.
What up?
Dead too.
Yo, it's fucking
Can't go
nice,
back
bro.
to the bounce house.
They have
Excuse me.
13%.
Oh, there's a.
He's giving us the slip. Oh my god. Okay.
I ref cap it. I open my doors to you, okay?
Althea, thanks so much for managing sub, dude. Welcome to the fan. Very much appreciated.
Let's go. I'm getting on it next time.
You guys are fucking retarded. I am done. I'm out of here.
No, my game's frozen.
Oh, I made it over.
There we go. Good job.
Up here. What am I watching?
Can you stop?
What the hell?
Shut up, everyone, please. It's interesting.
Yo, I need to hear. You see what I'm seeing here?
Harbleu, can we go to dinner instead? Can we
I
go
don't
to
want to be friends
Panda?
with any of you. Holy shit.
I love Overwatch.
Oh my god.
We're gonna nano back here.
Overwatch team.
I'm going. I'm going.
Okay, do it, Seth.
They're all
I know, I changed my mind.
I got set. Are you kidding me? I hate my life.
What's up the rhyme?
Dude, I almost got a mid pin on their Genji. You don't understand.
If I hit one more shot.
One shot, one kill.
Shot, one opportunity.
We got it.
Yeah, you guys got this.
Where's the fucking health pack?
I'm set point.
Oh! That's what I'm talking about.
There's a Genji somewhere. Oh, there's 2 people on Andre in the back line.
I got him. Don't shoot the fucking deflect!
I'm sorry!
Let's go!
Oh, you missed! Dude, I can't curve that much! That was so fucking Tokyo Drift!
Oh, they're getting about to ace us. Oh, it's not.
I exist. Bastion exists.
Okay, I could honestly lose every other placement match this tonight and I'd be content.
Me too. That was actually amazing.
This is fucked up,
Bounce
Seb.
house.
That this is how you find happiness in life. The jump pad on Oasis.
Score 1-0.
Can't stop, won't stop. Well, congratulations, NRD, for having the first autistic esport team. Yeah, so let's try some fucking 180 MS guys. Let's do it.
Oh no, can we not troll? I'm charging, I'm going straight away by the way.
I have no idea where I'm going, guys.
Why not troll? And then he's like, I'm charging.
I got set. I'm
Same
I don't know.
forever.
Oh, there's soldiers
You got booped?
I don't even know how.
You got booped by Winston Leaf, dude. Thanks to the new kill feed.
Oh, wow.
Oh, he knew
It would work if I was
shooting,
shooting more and healing less.
Okay. Alright, let's go top again then. Let's go top again. Where are you?
Alright.
They used, yeah, you guys are actually...
Hey, what do you mean? Look, I'm just like a duck.
What?
Following my way to top, okay?
You're a
See,
seagull.
you can't play McCree.
I'm
The roll
actually-
rubber band.
We're falling apart here, boys. I think
You guys suck.
Actually, there's no one gonna have to...
180 MS per
Let's
pit, guys,
go
it just doesn't work.
Generic main area.
Yeah,
instead,
just force
so we
them
have
on the
more
point. Let's go.
My shoulder was dead right by the way.
Oh, set up. Set up
Force
right
to
on
call,
point.
call it.
There's a monkey right here.
Oh my god.
Oh, they have ults.
Alright, we're good.
Genji,
This is
keep
good
up.
for us.
Where is he? Looking for him.
I don't know.
There's behind you.
He's on your
Oh
left.
my god. Yeah, the angle for him is super awkward. It's probably better to nano Iddqd in that situation.
Okay.
Hobbs fucking.
We got this.
Just let
We got this, family.
You know me, boys.
Yo, help us. Stop making Hobbs.
I missed my knee.
Come on. Oh no. He lost.
He doesn't have sword. Ajax is dying to nano though.
Yeah,
Who's gonna
I'm
run?
alone on point.
He's pushing
Whoa!
you.
He's trying
Wait,
to kill me.
he's trying to kill me?
We lost. We're only good at the bounce house.
Oh no!
Oh god.
No, god.
I think we found a counter.
Falling
I
apart
don't really
now,
want
boys.
to. I don't really want to point any
Honestly-
fingers on this one, to be honest, boys. But
Honestly, you know, maybe
Do point
If you-
fingers.
I don't know, man. Just getting pulse bomb charged into you.
You-
It's just. I don't know, man. I don't know.
I charged into the wall.
Try harding this?
Nice
Alright,
guy.
alright.
Spawn.
if
top,
they have a
man.
fair,
No,
we're about to get fucked.
don't worry about it.
There's no way.
I don't.
We have a
I just want to
basket.
say
There's
that I
no
don't
way.
agree with this. I just want to say I don't agree with this.
They're so much faster than us.
I'm taking someone with me. I got
Oh,
taken.
you're deep.
Instantly dead.
I killed monkey.
I decided to jump to a deck instead of fighting.
Okay, 3v3,
I'm with
3v3.
you, I need you.
We have healing station up. We all are good.
It's just Tracer, Lucio.
He's one bar. I hate
You're from 1
everything.
point. You're from 1 point, family.
Face week. You guys got this. You guys got this. Good job.
Alright.
Back up main for heals.
Okay, now we go top again.
Do we,
Right?
do we
set
go
up
top
top.
or do we just hold main?
Yeah, no.
here?
Setting up
set
top
up top.
bastions.
I'm not.
Yeah.
They're already jumping here. Set up.
Oh!
See ya, soldier.
Watch cap, it's just, I think
Tracer
they're
behind me?
flanking.
It's
Yeah,
just
she's not gonna be able to kill you.
She has a bomb. She has a bomb.
As long as we're here, we're fine.
Yo, Ajax, I'll bubble you, go in and give him the business
Nice.
Alright, give it the business.
Super.
Give it the business. Give it the business.
No, 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 no.
Dummy.
I'll come back.
Wait,
Come back.
what's the business? What's the business?
You wanted energy.
You got me a grand total of none.
That feels bad, man.
Okay, I'm playing on point here, so...
I feel like we're pretty vulnerable.
I feel like we are too,
I can bubble
actually.
you.
There's a tracer behind us.
I'm coming.
Luck. Good luck, good luck.
But I hate it really bad anyway.
What's up,
Get it low?
Honestly, we need to start playing a lot more baity with Bastion. That's sitting there sieged up like an idiot. Just sit there and recon form and run around and kill people instead. We're playing it like the last patch, when recon form is actually legit now.
That's true, that's true. Are we winning?
No heals? Lol.
Call if you want it.
I got one,
Oh,
go on.
I'm gonna stand over.
Tracer down.
Oh man.
Get him, sit down.
Alright, Genji went in.
72 is the round point.
It's just Genji.
Coming back at beat, but we should be in
Nice.
there.
They have
You
respawn
healing
coming
station, healing
back.
station. I fucking hate that. Tracer's no recall. Solar's top right, by the way. Oh my god, get out of my face. It's not Solar's top right. Right, Solar's right on limb.
Try
Solar's
to
right on
kill
limb.
him off.
Chase him,
Try
chase him.
him off.
There's Lucio behind
Good,
us.
oh,
Nice.
Wait.
He's weak.
Be off.
Chris down to Seagull, thank you so much for 2 months, man. Welcome back to the fam.
Never mind,
Wait,
I'm
we
main.
wanna
I'm
hold
just main
for
for heals.
I guess back to point
I
is
wouldn't really
not
worry about
bad.
holding. I'm just gonna keep
I
playing.
think we hold like right
Yeah.
here, kind of, honestly. I think we try like right here.
I can't hold across this point, which sucks.
He's looking left side from home, I think. The recall.
Tracer,
Yeah, we go,
Tracer,
nice.
yeah. I'm saving,
He's on right. He's half.
And it's left
I'm
side.
blocking point.
How far, Dummy?
71.
My shot's
Okay,
left right.
focus. Something.
We gotta take the final point here.
Winston weak.
Kill monkey. Monkey dead.
I'm on Tracer. Tracer's dead.
I'm down. There, I'm now again. He's on bottom right, He's on Brandon.
Zeb.
And it's far left.
I have a black hole here.
We got this.
Good job, team.
Good job.
Spice.
All we had to do was just not feed non-stop as Bastion.
Feels good, man.
Let's just pray we get Soundhouse again. That's our map.
So that's why you threw that round.
Yeah, because I wanted to get another round.
I'm not
I
gonna
assume they
risk
did.
it.
Risk it for the biscuit.
You think they'll do
Hell
Pharah
no.
Mercy again? I'm gonna farm the Mercy.
They might come straight to bounce house.
I think they're just gonna stick to their comp.
No, they're focusing me already. Holy shit, before I get to bounce
Get up
house.
here, get up here.
It's okay, I'm sieged up to bounce house. Or not.
The soldiers, keep up.
Get you down. Dude, I fucking
There's
saw
something.
it.
Go to point, fall to point.
Okay, go for it.
Shit, help.
Let's come up to the bounce house, come up to the bounce house.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. No, you're not in the bounce house. What are you doing there?
Yeah, I said come up the bounce. I don't know.
Okay, we'll get back in it then.
Alright. Hey, ready?
They have a Zen now. He's just gonna discord you.
We're kinda decent.
Right, yeah, I'm losing it.
Okay, sweet, siege.
There we go.
Yeah, they have a Zen now, which is kinda sucks.
Yeah, I'm literally charging
I don't think they're coming here at all. You might have to go.
I'm watching everything. Go point now, go point next
I
charge.
got your family.
Okay.
Hold that, you
I'm like,
Skinny body. Keep healing. I'll cover you. I got you.
There's someone coming up, someone coming up.
My line.
He's half.
I need heals.
That kid is weak.
need heals, dude. Yeah, right.
I'm gonna get help back down. Fuck you, dude.
What? I was literally
I need heals.
Right, I was joking, right.
Oh, I hate the Goner. I hate all of you.
Jam, I didn't hate by the things we give us from Denmark. Hey, Jamo, thank you so much for the 2 months, man. Very much appreciate it. Here you go, Seagull.
hey, I'm just contesting my
I wanted you to be dead in real life.
What? Oh, she's going to the bomb. Yo, can you see healing station?
Don't have
Let's get
it.
slept.
You get it. I can't.
That does sound fine, I think, but...
Winston.
Oh, I'm dead for within 1,000%. Leave me alone, please.
Doesn't matter. Oh, I might need it.
I
I'm
got your bubble.
trying to support, go into support.
I'll get your bubble. Get in there.
I'm dead!
Right. You don't beat it? I hate you. I treat that.
But he was dead.
I'm just walking in and dying. That's been the...
No!
I've been there.
for me.
I've
That
been
sounds
many times.
no,
Trace
dude.
weak.
What is...
Let's go, champ. Run in.
Let's make sure we actually kill this
He
person.
Go point.
Go.
I got
did
a
nothing but
shield
take
at
me
2,
to
1.
push.
Go ahead, I'm gonna shield you. Let's go.
Is this soldier on bounce house? I'll put this in.
Yep.
What
the hell? You died
fuck
so
was
fast.
It's a pretty good spam in my
that?
chat.
Needs to bounce up.
Genji outdated, Ana overrated, tanks downgraded, now we're robot operated.
We ulted.
Just let me sleep him.
Oh no, they ran the other way! What? They ran the other way!
You guys are...
We're feeding.
Yeah, we are free.
I mean,
Just
hold
like
on.
regroup a 6-point push. I was too busy enjoying my chat.
We almost have Nano Visor. I have 93.
They have a Hanzo.
Hanzo probably has ult, actually. He
will.
was on Hanzo for a while.
Yeah, we have Nano Visor.
We should get bounced
You
off
guys
really
should
quick.
push. You guys should go bounce house. Me and ID delay somewhere else. Let's kill this Ana ID.
Okay.
Got
To
it.
bounce house. To bounce
Let's
house.
do it.
Got it.
Okay, ready, son?
Got him.
Yeah, go.
But I'm not letting us lose this game, you guys. I'm not letting it happen.
Okay, we did it.
Mind you.
I'm gonna go down to the car.
I'm going on point. I won't point random. There's something else I do.
No, Hanzo here with me.
I'm gonna go down to the car.
Alright.
Alright, good job.
That got a little spicy, I'm not gonna lie. It got a little spicy.
You guys are just feeding for a better game, I know it.
Hey, that would...
Maximum bounce house.
Oh
time.
no! How did
Well,
not one
it
of us
wasn't
get it?
one of
I mean, I
us,
fed
yeah.
really hard that game, I'll be honest.
This is it.
So,
You know, sometimes you feed and sometimes you also feed. Soon?
Alright.